year begins, the calendar's new, a time for dreams and plans to pursue. The winter air is crisp and clear, hats and mittens, January's here. Chilly, frosty January, oh so bright, a brand new year, a fresh delight. Snowflakes fall in the cold winds play, January's here, let's seize the day. Snowmen stand in snowy yards, icicles glimmer like diamond shards. Hot cocoa warms us after play, cozy inside on a frosty day. January brings a world of white, glittering snow in the pale moonlight. A time to dream, a time to grow, as winter magic softly glows. Chilly, frosty January, oh so bright, a brand new year, fresh delight. Snowflakes fall in the cold winds play, January's here, let's seize the day. January, crisp and new, a time for adventures and dreams to come true. Bundle up tight, there's so much to see in chilly Friday.